Have you ever imagined machines thinking like us? That's the essence of artificial intelligence. It's an exciting field in technology, aiming to make machines think and learn like humans. Simply put, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to copy human intelligence. We're not just talking about robots that move and talk, but computer programs that can learn, solve problems, and make decisions. Artificial intelligence isn't just science fiction, it's a reality that's increasingly affecting our lives. It's changing how we work and interact with the world around us. Let's begin our journey to explore this exciting world of ideas and take a look at its history and future prospects. The history of artificial intelligence isn't new. It goes back decades. In the 1950s, scientists started thinking about creating intelligent machines. It began with simple programs that copied some aspects of human thinking, like playing chess. As technology advanced, so did artificial intelligence. Recent years have seen tremendous progress in this field, especially with the emergence of new technologies like deep learning. Machines can now learn from huge amounts of data and constantly improve their performance. From its humble beginnings, artificial intelligence has come a long way and is still constantly evolving. It's a promising field with enormous potential to change the world. How does a machine become intelligent? The secret lies in algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell a computer how to do a specific task. In artificial intelligence, advanced algorithms are used that allow machines to learn from data. This data is fed into special computer programs called AI models. These models mimic the way the human brain works, forming connections between data and extracting patterns. Over time, and with the analysis of more data, these models become smarter and more accurate. This learning process is the heart of artificial intelligence, and it's what enables machines to perform complex tasks that require high mental abilities. Real-world examples: artificial intelligence in our daily lives. Artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic concept, it's here with us today in many applications we use every day. Have you used a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa? These are examples of artificial intelligence where this technology lets you interact with your phone or home device using your voice. AI algorithms are also used to suggest products you might like on e-commerce websites, and to recommend movies and shows that suit your taste on streaming platforms. And what about self-driving cars? They are one of the most prominent applications of artificial intelligence, relying on sensors, cameras, and advanced AI models to navigate safely on the roads. These are just a few examples of how artificial intelligence is changing our lives, and there are many other applications constantly emerging in various fields. Growing importance. The impact of artificial intelligence on our lives. The growing importance of artificial intelligence in today's world can't be denied. It has had a significant impact on our lives and will play an even bigger role in the future. Artificial intelligence contributes to improving work efficiency in many fields by automating routine tasks and analyzing large amounts of data. This allows humans to focus on more creative and complex tasks. In medicine, artificial intelligence helps diagnose diseases more accurately and develop personalized treatment plans. It's also used in discovering new drugs and developing innovative treatments. Artificial intelligence also contributes to addressing some global challenges, such as climate change and resource scarcity. By analyzing environmental data, artificial intelligence can offer innovative solutions to improve natural resource management and reduce pollution. In short, artificial intelligence offers tremendous opportunities to improve our lives on various levels. A look into the future. What does the future hold for artificial intelligence? The future of artificial intelligence is promising and full of potential, but it also carries some challenges. As the capabilities of intelligent machines increase, questions arise about the future of work and the ethics of using this technology. Experts predict that artificial intelligence will fundamentally change the job market, with machines replacing humans in many jobs. But at the same time, new jobs requiring different skills will emerge. Therefore, it's important to prepare for these changes by developing new skills and adapting to the demands of the future job market. Ethically, the development and use of artificial intelligence raise important questions about privacy, bias, and responsibility. Therefore, it's essential to establish clear ethical and legal guidelines to guide the development and use of this technology responsibly for the benefit of all. Artificial intelligence, a technological revolution changing the world. Artificial intelligence isn't just a passing technological development, it's a real revolution changing the world around us. It's reshaping how we work, interact, and solve problems. From improving healthcare to combating climate change, artificial intelligence has the power to make a positive change in human lives. But we must approach this technology with caution and responsibility, as we are shaping its future with our decisions today. Let's work together to harness the power of artificial intelligence for the good of humanity and build a better future for all.